What up, y'all? We back with another video, and today we are going to attempt to fix these, fix these LED lights, bro. These underglow lights, I mean. Look, bro. Dang, I left the keys in the house. Golly. So look, I got another control box in. It's the same type though, so I'm thinking maybe they got a new one out, and I don't know. I didn't know that, so assuming that I did it wrong last time would be crazy, but maybe I did it wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab two of these. Put my little right here, and then a little wire stripper and whatnot right here. I don't know. This one I was struggling with it, so we gonna get this yellow one right here. Cause I ain't about to struggle for 10 minutes like that again, bro. It's no way. All right, so y'all, this time I'm gonna try to do this in the car because it's kind of cool outside. And I don't know, bro. I don't like doing stuff to the car when it's cold, bro. I don't do stuff right when it get cold, bro. I be trying to hurry up and rush the process, and you can't rush the process with these car things. So right here, God, I'm dropping everything, y'all. Right here, I got the control box wires, and then right here, we got the wires that we need to connect them to that go to the y'all know what I'm talking about, the little car charger. All right, so let's get to work. All right, so what we're gonna do here is first I'm gonna straighten these out a little bit because they a little bent. So let's get one of these right here. Push this boy in there. Let's get the other one. Push that boy in there. Come on now. There we go. Why this is like that? What are you yelling at? I done fumbled that boy. How we get this like that? I'm gonna go right through the middle. Go ahead, squeeze it down. And that should be good to go. Let's see. Heck no, this definitely ain't good to go. You gotta do that again, bro. I'm tripping. I don't know how, but I did this right. The very first time I did this right. Now I'm struggling for some reason. I don't know what it is. I can't tell y'all. But I can't call it, bro. Boy, I tell y'all, boy. All right, so after minutes of messing around with it, I got it right. Now we're just gonna do the ends, squeeze them down, make sure that wire can't slip out. No way, no how. Simple. Now to the other side. Simple. Hey, no, this one's still a little bit too loose. Yeah, this is good to go. Now we're gonna do the negative side right here. Put this boy in there like that. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, put that boy in there. Like that. Put this boy in there. All the way through till they connect it. Squeeze this down. This one is not in all the way, bro. No way. Let me see. Yeah. Let me squeeze this down a little bit some more. All right, this should be good. And let's turn on the car and see if they work. I don't know if I gotta actually connect them to the lights before I see if they work. I'm just trying to see if they connect Bluetooth. So yeah, that's what we finna do. As y'all can see, I got everything connected. and I got it to work. So now all we got to do, dang, where the parts at? Now all we got to do is actually connect these to the lights. Now we're gonna go ahead and do my least favorite activity, and that's jack up the car. I done already turned the wheel, as y'all can see. Turned the wheels a little bit so I can get some leeway. But before I do that, I was looking for these daggone mounts, bro. I don't know what it is. I keep all my tools and whatnot in one place pretty much. All the stuff I use, and I do not know where I put my mounts at. I need some mounts because I want to, right here in the daggone drawer. And of course, we gonna need some wire tape. Tape up some of that excess on the wires and whatnot. We got the car jacked up good and everything good right there. We got the tools we need. And now I'm about to go ahead and get to work and plug these daggone lights in. So, bruh, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get under here. And y'all can see this is the first one right here. It's the second one right there that we need to plug the lights into. Or control the control box wires into. Let me get that from over here. Here we go right here. It should be pretty simple and quick. I don't know why the ones that I had last time was not trying to plug in. Because look at these. These boys go right in. So maybe I was right. They did send me the wrong one, bro. They had to. Because these going in super simple. We don't see about this one though. Hold on. Yeah, these went in super simple, bro. There's no way they just sent me the wrong stuff, man. But that's all right though. We got it back free of charge. And now we right back in the game. All right, so I plugged the lights in. Everything is good to go, bro. We just gonna get back to mounting everything up.
Depo on the beat.
So the camera didn't record any of this for some reason, but I done did it all throughout here and throughout right here too. And now what we're doing is we just heading to the front with the mountain. All right, so right here, what I want to do is I want to feed these under here. So my control box just gonna be hanging right there out in the open. I want to give it like some sort of protection. I don't know if maybe up under here is the right spot. I'm not for sure. certain positions where I feel like it'd be safe to drive on them, because I drive a lot, bro. It'd be safe to drive on them. They won't scrape or nothing or mess up, you know. I don't want to just fix this LED underglow and then have to fix it again next week. So, and also I just opened this pack, bro, for these mounts. These boys is rubber. The other ones is hard plastic. I don't know how I feel about that. And they also like a little smaller, but we'll see. All right, so right back into this part right here. I see I got some pre-drill holes. This would be a great spot for a mount. Put this right here. These is different screws, so I don't know how they'll fit into the holes I previously had like that. I don't know how I feel about that, bro. We'll see. All right, so let's come over here. Let me show y'all actually. So I try to mount them. I don't know if you can see that. I try to mount them right there. They go one side, and then they go another side right there. You can barely see that, bro. I don't know. It's one right there, and then it's one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these mounts in there from the underside, and let's get to it. All right, so I got this all done. Both the control boxes are snug in there. They good to go. And I didn't want y'all to see me do all this because it took a long time. I ain't want y'all to sit through a 30-minute video, bro. But yeah, I got everything wired up good. Everything's secure. Before we get back to work, bro, let's hear a quick word from our sponsors, bro. Hold on. Check me out real quick. Today's sponsor is Prada's Wrap Lab, bro. Come on, bro. If you want your car wrapped, bro, quick turnaround, bro. Whatever you want, bro, my man got you, bro. I'm gonna put his Instagram down, bro. Get out my man, bro. You see how my car look, bro. Get at my man, bro. We about done, y'all. We about finished. All I want to do is wrap up some of these wires where I connected two wires at. I just want to wrap them up with this tape real quick to make sure, you know, no water get in there or nothing like that. Keep it secure, bro. So yeah, let's get to it. This project is done. As you can see, there's no low-hanging wires, and that's all we need to get done. If y'all like the video today, bro, like, comment, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Zay, and I'm out of here, man.
Five hours later.